And we got exhaust. Okay, go. Oh my god! Woo! Jokes on! Oh my god! Yes! It runs! It works! Good job! Ouch! That hurts! He's happy. Nice!
We just swapped the motor.
Yep. 70.
We just swapped the motor.
I know.
We just swapped the fucking
freaking
motor.
awesome.
That works.
Yeah. Let's strap a seat on this. I want to see you go. The choke's on. Yeah, that's why I was putting it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, choke's on.
We'll try to choke off.
Yeah, that was awesome. This is great. We rednecked it. It's got a dirty carb. It's got...
Yeah, the carb's fucked up, too.
And some of the seals are broke. Everything is all dirt and crap. And it actually runs. I'm so happy. Wow. That was a completely... Wow. Get a motor swap on a little Baja. That's
funny,
great.
'cause, like, a 13-year-old kid did it, too.
Yeah. 13-year-old kid did it. This is great. This is, like, awesome. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, yeah. Quality is probably not that good because I'm taking this on my cell phone. Oh, the chain. No!
Yeah, I'll put the chain on.
Yeah. This is great. Can't believe we did it. Exchange motor. Okay, we'll be back when it's all put together. Okay, bye.